Welcome to my copycat Popeyes chicken video. Well, I started off by washing my chicken with vinegar and water and cut the pieces up. And now I'm adding some seasoning salt, some black pepper, some ginger powder, some turmeric, some paprika, and now some Cajun seasoning. Now I've added about 8 shakes of hot sauce, onion powder, and now some garlic powder. Now we're gonna mix this up very well. We want to get it all over the chicken. So now we're going to put this in the fridge overnight. So now we're going to start our seasoned flour. We're going to start off with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So we're going to put some sea salt in, paprika, ginger powder, garlic powder, seasoning salt, ground pepper, black pepper, some turmeric, and some Cajun seasoning, and some cornstarch. So now we're going to whisk this until well combined. It's time for the batter. 1 cup of all-purpose flour into the bowl. 2 eggs. Some Cajun seasoning. Onion powder, garlic powder, 1 cup of water. Whisk all ingredients until well combined. Make sure the batter isn't too thick. Now place all the marinated chicken into the bowl and mix it into the batter. Make sure all pieces of the chicken are covered in the batter thoroughly. Shake off any excess batter off the chicken wings. And now we're gonna put it into our seasoned flour And we want to squeeze the flour onto the chicken. We really want to pack it on so that we can get nice crispy flakes on the chicken wings. Repeat the process until all wings have been floured. Shake off the excess flour. Let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes before you put it into the oil. So now we're going to place our chicken into the hot oil. We're going to let this cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes has passed, so now we're going to take our chicken out and put it onto a wire rack. So now it's time to plate up our wings. There's the money shot. I hope you enjoyed. Shout out to Quan Tran.